This is what happened to my nail file because I left my dog alone for like 5 seconds. Like this, I was filming a video. I used this nail file during the video and somehow he ate half of it. So that's cool. Hi guys, so I'm going to be showing you guys how to do the Kiara Sky dip powder method today. I will link all the products below, and I do just want to say I've had it on for a week and it has not chipped. It's still like hard like acrylics almost, and it looks pretty natural, and I just love this method so much more than going and paying and getting my nails done. So give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and I will be posting on Mondays and Fridays, so keep a lookout for my videos, and I will see you guys in the next one. Enjoy! The first thing I do is clip my nails and file them into the shape that I want. Next, you're going to need to use either a file or an electric drill. I got this on Amazon, so I'll definitely link it below. And you're just going to want to lightly rough up the surface of the nail. You don't want to go too crazy with this. I'm using a very fine grit on this, but you can easily use a nail file to achieve this. This is just going to make sure that the dip powder stays and you don't have a lot of lifting going on. First, you're going to use the bond. It is the first step of the Kiara Sky set, and you're just going to put this on all of your nails. It just helps with lifting and make sure that the dip powder adheres nicely to your nail. The next step is using the base. This is what is going to make the dip powder stick to your nail. You're going to start off by putting this on 3/4 of your nail. This will make it look very gradual and not so thick when it gets to your cuticle. After that, you're just going to take the nail and dip it into the dip powder. You're going to tap off the excess and later brush off the rest, but it is still drying, so you just want to leave it alone for now. And you're just going to do this individually to each nail. If you did put the base on each nail before you dipped, it would probably dry before you got to each nail, so it's easier to just do this one at a time. It doesn't really make a difference in timing, it's just more efficient this way. Then after a few nails have dried, you can brush off the excess. So now that we're done with that, we're going to get the actual color. So then you're going to apply the base to the entire nail. Be careful not to have it touching your cuticle, but you want to put it just a little, like a hair away from your cuticle, and then dip each individual nail again into the color of your choice. This is a very, very light pink. The color is actually called Chit Chat. And yeah, you can pretty much find any of the colors on Amazon. But just definitely read the reviews before you select a color. Okay, now that you brushed off all your nails from excess powder, you're going to again apply the base to the entire nail and dip each nail individually in. This is just like a second coat for the color. So once you brush that off, you're going to apply the Seal and Protect. This will just harden the dip powder. Then you're just going to file down the nails so that they are a little less thick. You can use a nail file for this. I just had an electric drill. And then you're going to wash your hands to get the dust off. Make sure you thoroughly dry them as well. You're going to then again apply the Seal and Protect. This will just make sure that it's hard and it is going to be protected, you know what I mean? But yeah, I don't know what this step is actually for, but it says that in the directions. And then it does say to apply 2 coats of the top coat that they give you. I actually just
read some reviews that kind of said that the top coat was a little finicky, so I used one that I had on hand that just gives it a nice shine. You can basically top coat it with anything that you have on hand, or you can use the one that comes in the kit. I haven't tried it, so I can't say that it's not good, but I've just heard kind of weird things about it, so yeah, that's what I did. Here, I'm just putting coconut oil on my cuticles. The regular kit comes with like a cuticle oil, so this is basically the same thing. I'm just saving myself some money, honey, and there you go. That is how my nails looked. I think they came out pretty good, especially for my first time. But yeah, subscribe to my channel if you want. I post keto videos on Monday and I post random videos on Friday. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!